ugly son of a bitch and that down went up and the city and God damn it. Okay, looks like the video's on. Look at this ugly goddamn thing. Looks like John F. Kennedy. Bernie Yogi said, I don't want you to get away, you little bastard. I gotta get this. So close to safety, right? Fuck you. God damn, look at that shit. Look at that shit. Brown pussy shit. And Jeff Bezos one, it was grown by Gordon Palmer in Provo Canyon. And JFK was one. All the Kennedys are goddamn brown shit like that. Yuck.